human beings of Earth, welcome to the math dimension. I am your host, Mr. Elmer. Today, we're going to be talking about adding polynomials. So let's start off with, what is a polynomial? Well, the word polynomial comes from poly, meaning many, and nomial, which originally means name. But in math, we've expanded it to also mean term. So a polynomial is a many-termed thing or expression. Specifically, a polynomial is an expression made up of two or more terms. And remember, in math, expressions are incomplete number sentences. So a quick review of what terms are. Terms are anything separated by a plus or minus in math, not a negative sign. So here's the thing. Adding polynomials is a lot like dealing with fruit. Fruit? What? Fruit? Let me explain. Each variable is like a different type of fruit. So if I have 7 bananas and I go buy 3 more bananas, I now have 10 bananas. That's a lot like the expression 7b plus 3b. Bananas and bananas, so I can combine them. I can only add the bananas together because they are the exact same type of fruit. So if I had 7 bananas and I bought 4 strawberries, would I have 11 straw-nana-berries? No, that would be ridiculous. And also, kind of sounds delicious too. My expression would look like this: 7b plus 4s. I can't go any simpler with this polynomial. Why? Because bananas aren't strawberries. They don't match up, so I can't add them. They're not like terms in math. So in pure math, we call that, as we've discussed, like terms. But in pure math, we're talking about x's with x's, y's with y's. Now, 2 important things with like terms in math is that your variable has to match as well as your exponential power. So just like we added bananas to bananas, strawberries to strawberries, but not bananas to strawberries, we do the same thing with x's and y's. X's to x's, y's to y's, but not x's to y's. Addition has to stay with like terms. So let's look at a more traditional example. We have 4x plus 3y plus the quantity 5x plus y. I can begin by identifying the like terms. So I see a pair of x's and a pair of y's in this polynomial. From there, I can add the 4x and the 5x to give us 9x, and the 3y plus the y to give us 4y. Remember, a key, if there's no coefficient in front of a variable, we assume 1. I like to call that the invisible one, because it's not there, but it is. You just can't see it. We do that so we don't have to write 1 in front of every single variable all the time. That would be tedious and tiresome. And math is already a little tedious, isn't it? You could even call it the ghost one. So here's the big takeaway. We can only add like terms. X's with x's, y's with y's, bananas with bananas. It applies to fruits as well as math. When we're doing that, we just add the coefficients in front of the variables. And that will give us our answer, especially if we look out for any invisible or ghost ones. Now it's time for you to try. See if you can simplify this expression. We have 4x plus 6z plus the quantity of x plus 3z. Go ahead and pause the video and we'll reveal the answer in about 3 seconds. Okay, did you get it? We got 5x plus 9z. Did you match? Awesome job if you did. And if not, just keep trying. But if you did get it, then you win, nothing. But awesome job anyways. I'm going to put up more expressions at the end of this video for you to practice adding polynomials together. I'll post the answers in the description box below, but go ahead and try these on your own and see what you can do. One section is the on point section, which means you followed along with the video and you understood everything we covered, so you're on point. Awesome job. The other one is the Socratic section, meaning you're as far ahead of your time as Socrates. You're doing awesome, okay? So either way, if you can get one of those 2, you're doing fantastic. So go ahead and give them a try, and be sure to like, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for stopping by the Math Dimension, and we'll see you next time. Bye!